Hey everyone, this is Elaine with Larkin Lane Creations. Thanks for stopping by today. What I want to show you are some 1x4s. These are little pieces. The amazing thing about this is they're the exact size of an ATC. So I call them my three-dimensional ATCs. Now where I got the idea, these are a little old. Where I got the idea was I had received this from someone that sort of lived in my area as the ATC Exchange, and her name is Debbie. And I think she actually has a YouTube channel too. I'll look her up and I will put the link at the bottom here so you can find her. But anyway, when I got that, I just thought it was adorable. She's used an old doily and then hand painted me the bird with a little heart. So a few years later I said, I want to do that for myself. So I took a block and painted it up and gave these out as Valentines. And as you can see, girlfriendship. And then on the back, I had stamped this little saying on a napkin. And it says all the things that a friend does for you. And then, of course, I signed my name to it. Now, I did one for myself, but I just used a doily, a white one and a gold one, and then had cut out a heart and then used some little embellishments that we all have floating around. So again, just a plain old scrap of wood, 1x4. Again, keeping it from the landfill. So I want to thank Debbie for the idea. It's been a lot of fun. And I will definitely do this again. Now, remember when I took the keys off the keyboard? Well, I have gone ahead and unscrewed all the screws that were in the back. So when I did that, this piece automatically popped off. So I have not unveiled what's inside of here yet. I thought I would do it with everybody. So here we go. I'm going to take it off this way. Oh, heavens. All right, well, I don't know if I'm going to get that loose from that board, but this is some very, very thin film. Now, that's pretty cool. We could all use that in some journal books. This one, I don't know. We might be able to use that for some kind of stencil with those holes in it. And then is this one coming loose? Yeah, this one will come loose too. So now that'll be pretty cool inside a journal book with those lines on it. I think we could have fun with that. Oh, looks like I have some more screws I have to do. So there's just a little panel thing and then some wire that goes all the way around the perimeter of the keyboard. Really not much to it. I thought there'd be more. But let's see what this is. Well, that's kind of cool. It's really flexible. Not really thick. I guess this, some of the keys, that's where you punch the keys. Is it? Oh yeah, here's another mat then. This one is really thin and really flexible. So that'd be pretty fun in a journal too. So now we know what's on the inside of a keyboard. So if your keyboard should, go bad, take it apart. We can use this inside of something. Well, hope you had fun checking out the inside of a keyboard. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Have a good day. Bye.